Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the two rulers that every quilter should have. These rulers will be with you for a very long time. You may even upgrade them in the future. I've been quilting for 22 years and these are the rulers that I started with. The first ruler you're going to need is a 6 by 24 inch long ruler. This ruler you're going to use to cut yardage. So that is fabric that you have bought off the bolt in increments of a quarter yard, etc., or quarter meter here in Canada. And you are going to use this ruler to help you cut down that large piece of fabric into strips that are usually subcut and made into blocks. The second ruler you're going to need is a 6-inch square. This ruler you're going to use in helping you subcut those strips that you made with your long ruler, and you're also going to use it for things like cutting down blocks that have been made at a bigger size. There are so many uses for this ruler. I have a variety of square rulers, but the one that is most important is the 6-inch square. Those are the rulers that every quilter should start with, and you're going to use them for years. Thank you for joining me. Bye now.